Lights on, we can just have this going on, and it's giving off some nice. From afar, this is how everything looks like. And then on, if I can go back behind for you, another day, another vlog. Welcome back to my channel. My name is Catherine Akurut, a faith-based lifestyle and a wellness creator, very passionate about faith-based lifestyle and wellness, and therefore I figured to myself, why not create a like-minded community here on YouTube so we can all grow together and motivate each other into becoming our best and authentic selves. So if you haven't yet subscribed, what are you doing? What are you waiting for? Anyway, in today's video, I bring you guys along my 2025 house reset and decoration plan, where we are gonna transform my spaces. It's not gonna be a dramatic transformation, but it's going to be some sort of transformation for me to work better. If you haven't yet watched my previous video, I did a massive Shein haul where I managed to purchase most of the things that I am going to be using in this transformation. The kind of vibe that I'm going for is very simple, very neutral, very minimalistic, and a very boho, kind of what I already had going on, but with a little bit of more color and more earth and warmth to it. Now this is what I have going on so far. I made sure to take down all the curtains so I can get them washed. I also took out the rug, so that is why the floor is very much bare, because the rug also needed to be washed. And today I also have my little helper with me, my fiance. He's gonna help me put up the curtains, because as a woman, what am I doing hanging up there, honestly? Anyway, how are you guys doing? How is your year so far? Are you already on your vision board? Are you already on your goals? Are you getting your stuff together? Because as usual, we are here to keep each other motivated, to build discipline, to build very much healthy habits that we can embark on to make ourselves better and authentic each and every day, without forgetting that it is not by our own strength, but by the strength of the Son of the Lord, for through him we can do all things. To show you guys how it turned out, the first piece that I added was this decor piece for these flowers. It's actually supposed to be for my center table, but I did give away my table that I had previously, and so I'm waiting for the one I ordered for to come in, because it's custom made. It's gonna take some time, but it will come in eventually. So I love those artificial flowers that I showed you guys, plus the vase, and that's how everything looks like or came out. I also added this decor piece by the TV. If you look closely, the other one is right the other side by the mirror, and then we have this one also by the TV right over here. Added some plants, of course the artificial plants, and a candle, because your girl loves her house being all nice and scented. Initially we also didn't have that lamp over there, but then I felt like it would give off some nice warm lights in the night. Let me actually show you guys how it looks like with the lights on. That is how nice and cozy it looks like with the lights on. So in the night, when we do not want to have the house lights on, we can just have this going on, and it's giving off some nice warm and cozy lights, plus some light candles. And then if you look closely, I also added my curtains over there. I feel like they came out really nice. They complement each other so well. And then on the couch, I did add some throw pillows, the ones that I got from Shein. These are really nice and cute by the chair. If you look very well, those are the ones that I added. And then this I had previously, so I just added this too to complement it. I also added a throw blanket, because your girl needs to upgrade her space, and I'm gonna do anything that I can do to do that. Now if you noticed, I have no rug, because I figured the rug will definitely spoil what I have going on, so I have to order a new rug and then wait for it to come in so I can add it into the whole decoration. I'll still give you guys an update after I've done everything so well, so bear with me. This place is going to be bare for a very long time because the rug has to come in. This other couch, I also added a throw pillow over there. These two have initially been there, and then on my swing I did the same. I did add a white throw pillow over here. I feel like it looks pretty well. My plant over here by this corner initially had this plastic on it. When I added that pot, I felt like it elevated the flower, and then it had to fit with the rest of the furniture in the house. This is how everything turned out, and to be honest, I am not mad at it at all. I feel like I can work with this. And when it comes to things of changing your space, your taste changes every time. So make sure to just go with what you have and what you like that suits you. After I finished the house, I made sure to also come and take care of my bedroom or bathroom that I usually use. And so since I'm already here, why not show you guys what I have going on? If you don't know what the before looked like, I'm going to insert a video of what the before looked like so you can appreciate the little things that we have done to achieve this kind of after. Looking at the window, this part was super plain, but I made sure to add some 2 plants over there, and then I also added this wooden tray that is gonna hold my things. I have some Q-tips, some floss over here, and some cotton pads. If you look closely, you can see how nice and aesthetic that looks by the window. There is too much light coming in, so it doesn't capture so well, but this is what this part of the bathroom looks like. And then as you come down by the bowl where I actually do the nasty, we have our bottles over there in this also storage thingy, where I also did add a plant over here just to make it a little cooler and better. And then we also have our toothbrush holder and toothpaste dispenser, but I haven't yet put it to work because I need it to stick very well onto the wall before I start to use it, lest it falls down, because I don't know how strong the glue or the adhesive looks like. But from afar, let me just move far for you guys to actually appreciate how it looks like. From afar, this is how everything looks like. And on this other side, we have this storage thingy where I haven't yet transferred everything that I need to transfer in here. I'm going to put all my cleansers, I'm going to put my lotions and all those other things that I need to use, especially skincare, right after the bathroom. And then down below here by the sink, I also have this hand wash bottle, which I will be putting my hand washing soap in to help while you are here. It is not too much going on, but I'm pretty happy with what I have going on, because looking at how this place was before all this, I'm actually pretty happy with what I have going on right now. For my laundry area, I had this pipe over here that connects the water into the washing machine. I didn't like how it looks over there, so I decided to add a little bit of leaves to cover it up, and that's how it came out. Not the prettiest thing, but it will do. And then of course I used this for storage, and then I added a few plants over here and a candle for at night when I'm trying to get all nice and cozy and having the house smell good. I also added a plant over here. I don't know if the camera captures it very well. And then I did my fabric softener and my hand wash detergent plus my auto detergent over here, another plant, and then a bunch of things that I also have to use over there. If I can go back behind for you, this is how it looks like. I have my laundry machine over there, and then the rack that has everything that I need to use over there. That is how that corner looks, and I love it. Right next to my laundry area is where my fridge is, and since we are doing a 2025 house reset, I figured why not also clean out my fridge and then restock it for 2025. And therefore we are going to do a deep clean of this fridge because she looks very much abandoned. We have been off for holidays, made sure to finish up everything that we needed to finish up so nothing goes bad, and ever since we returned back from around the holidays. Your girl has not been having her grind on, but today is going to be the day we take out everything that needs to be taken out, and then we get to cleaning. Am I the only one that feels like cleaning the fridge is like the hardest thing to do? Because why do I have to take out everything first and then put it back in? It is just a lot of work for me, but it's also very much therapeutic when your fridge is clean, nice, and well restocked. And let me know in the comment section down below what you guys use to clean your fridges. And in case you are wondering what I am using, it's just a concoction of vinegar, baking soda, and warm water to help clean out the stains and also get rid of that funky smell and all the funkiness that is involved in between. After cleaning out my fridge, the next thing was to definitely restock it with my favorite fruits and vegetables together with the juices. But by this time, you guys, I was so tired and I was not having it at all, and therefore I did not film that part where I was doing the restock. But then later at the end of the video, I show you guys how the fridge looked like after I have finished to restock it. Now, if you have made it this far, comment down below cutesy so I can know that you are a real one. Anyway, thank you guys for hanging with me thus far. Let me let you guys enjoy the rest of the video, but make sure to like, comment, share, and subscribe. Until next time, bye bye.
Kick.